Welcome. If you want to use one-handed mode in your Xiaomi Mi 10T, at the first you have to go for the settings, next tap on the search pool and type hand. Let's pick up this option, one-handed mode, from the additional settings. Click on the switcher to turn it on. And to enter our one-hand mode, we have to make this gesture. We have to swipe from the right or the left from the home button. So let's do it. And as you can see right now, we are able to work with our one hand. We can reach every part of the screen. We can also try to resize this one-hand mode. And of course, we can exit by clicking on the arena outside. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.